Number 4. The diagram shows a cross-section through a leaf. Which label shows a tissue? So which of these structure is a tissue? Which of these structures is a tissue? That's a good question, because this question can actually become quite confusing. So when we talk about tissue is a group of cell, actually a group of same cell gathering together. So let's say there is a cell called cell A. So A is a cell. If we have A, and A, whole thing now is called the tissue. Okay, but if you have a lot of A's and a lot of B's, the cell B's, and a lot of cells called C's as well, then the whole thing now is called an organ. Okay, like the heart or the lungs and so on. But if you have heart with the blood vessels attached to it, then the whole thing now is called organ system. And if you have more of them gathered together, then we have an organism. So can you see how the concept gets developed here? So this is a cell, this is a tissue. So tissues are made of same cells. Organs are made of different cells, and organ systems are made of different organs, and different organ systems make an organism. So back to this question again. I guess A includes many different cells, right? So this should be an organ. So if we just look at it, I guess C is only showing a same type of cell. These cells are called spongy cells. These cells are called palisade cells, or palisade mesophyll cells. And these guys are also mesophyll cells as well. D is only pointing at whole, or pore. It's either whole or pore, which doesn't really matter. And its name is called stomata. D looks like it's a waxy cuticle, or it's wax cuticle or waxy cuticle, whatever. Doesn't really matter, because its role is to prevent evaporation. But however, it's only a coating, so it's not a cell. So you can't just call it tissue. I'd say you can safely say it's chemical substance. Anyways, so the answer should be C for this question. Okay? Because C is made of many of the same type of cells. Okay? Many types of cells. C is the answer.